Find the equation of the normal to the curve y equals 2x squared minus 2x plus 5 at the point where the curve crosses the x-axis. Okay, if you graph this thing, let's graph it properly. Should have some idea what it looks like. Delete u, 2x squared minus 2x plus 5. Okay, draw u. Let's see what auto zoom does for me. Yeah, looks good. Okay, so where it cuts the y-axis somewhere there. Okay, so I know that looks something like this. This point here, I'm not sure the coordinates of it, but I know that it has an x-coordinate of 0. Okay, so the y-axis intercept occurs at x equals 0, so I'll just substitute x equals 0 in here. 2 times 0 squared minus 2 times 0 plus 5, y equals 5. So what it's really asking me is find the equation of the normal to the curve at the point (0, 5). Okay, so to find the equation of the normal, I have the point, I need to find the gradient of the normal. I'll start by finding the gradient of the tangent, okay, by differentiating. And finding dy dx at x equals 0. Okay, so I'll start by differentiating. I'll write the original function just above it so you can follow along. Differentiate this, 4x minus 2. Okay, I want to know what this is at x equals 0. So dy dx at x equals 0 is 4 times 0 minus 2, okay, or minus 2. That is the gradient of the tangent at that point. Okay, sloping downwards. Sounds good. Okay, remember we're not actually after that one. We don't want the gradient of the tangent. We want the gradient of the normal. So we'll find the gradient of the normal, which we know is minus 1 on the gradient of the tangent. So minus 1 on minus 2. Gradient of the normal will be minus a half. Okay, so I know minus a half, positive a half. Okay, drawing the diagram helps because you can look at this thing and know that the gradient of the tangent needs to be, the gradient of the normal needs to be a positive value. Alright, so to find the equation of the line, I need the gradient and a point. Find equation of the line, m equals a half, and the point 0, 5. I'll just sub this into y equals mx plus c. This is my x, this is my y. Okay, to find c. Y is 5, m is a half times 0 plus c. 5 equals 0 plus c, c equals 5. Okay, so the equation of my line is going to be y equals a half x plus 5. That was using pretty much all the knowledge that you've learnt since grade 9. Can't forget anything ever.